The Who has officially addressed rumors regarding the departure of Zak Starkey from the band. Zak, who is the son of Ringo Starr, had been with the legendary group since 1996. However, it has now been confirmed that Roger Daltrey and Pete Townshend made the decision to part ways with the 59-year-old drummer after their recent series of performances at the Royal Albert Hall. A spokesperson for the band shared that this decision was made collectively, and while the band holds Zak in high regard, they wished him all the best for his future endeavors. Earlier this year, Zak spoke to The Echo after his supergroup, Mantra of the Cosmos, performed at the Cavern Club. The band, which also features Happy Mondays singer Shawn Ryder, percussionist Mark Bez Berry, and former Oasis guitarist Andy Bell, played 2 shows at the venue on January 19th. Reflecting on the experience, Zak described his performance at the iconic Cavern Club as surreal. Initially nervous before taking the stage, he revealed that he had been extremely anxious, but felt amazing once he started performing. He humorously recalled texting Noel Gallagher about his nerves before the performance, to which Noel responded with encouragement. When asked about the daunting nature of the performance, Zak emphasized that it wasn't the band's own show that intimidated him, but rather the Beatles' legendary status, which made the Cavern Club such a significant place. Unfortunately, after the gig, Zak had to cancel another show with Mantra of the Cosmos in London due to a blood clot. Doctors advised him to rest and take blood thinners for 2 weeks. Despite the cancellation, the venue was still filled with music fans and celebrities who watched a video of the band's Cavern Club performance instead. The band also released a new psychedelic track titled Domino Bones Gets Dangerous during the show, with further singles and an album currently in the works.